Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I already have one eye done, so let's start on the other one. For the base today, we're going to be using the Tarte Shape Concealer in Tan Sand, and we're going to be using the Jumbo Pencil in Milk by NYX. Sorry you guys, I shouldn't even be doing this voiceover because I'm sick. I know I sound all stuffed up, but we got to get this done, honey. And then I'm setting with Mercier Translucent Powder as always. My first transition color is Newsflash by MAC, and I'm using a long comb blending brush to blend that in. Then I'm using this Perfect Red in the Manny MUA Makeup Geek palette, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease as well as make the halo shape. I'm mixing that red with this deep red by MAC Cosmetics. It's called Deep Damson, I think, and I'm going to use that to deepen out this halo. To cut out my halo eye, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to be making the shape I want. I took this matte white shade in the Kylie Bronze palette, and I'm just going to use that to set. In these few clips, I'm just deepening the darker areas. So I did the white liner in the crease off camera because it was so impossible to record. Priming with my usual stuff, the NYX Face Base Primer and the Pixie Primers. Then I'm taking the MAC Peach Luster Prep and Prime Pen, and I'm going to use that to color correct, and I'm going to buff it out with the BH Cosmetics brush as always. I'm contouring underneath my foundation with the black Opal foundation stick in Suede Mocha. Then I'm taking the MAC 159 brush and I'm going to blend all this out. I take the MAC 217 brush and I blend out the foundation on my nose. Taking my favorite foundation combination, I'm going to apply my foundation over top. For my concealer today, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to use that to highlight all the areas on my face that I want to highlight. going to set my under eye with the MAC C6 pressed powder. And set the rest of the areas with the Mercier Translucent powder. I'm going to start by bronzing with the Smashbox Deep Kit and just using that middle shade. I'm dusting off all that powder with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder in Deep Dark, and I'm just going to continue to contour after that with my Urban Decay Deep Neutral pressed powder. I deepen my contour with the Film Noir Blush by MAC. And to highlight today, I'm using Heat Wave by Estee Lauder. For blush, I'm using Burnt Pepper by MAC Cosmetics, one of my favorite blushes. So for liner, I did like a double liner. I started off with black, then I used a eyeliner brush and the Fenty lipstick, and I did a red liner over top of the black. So I did my eyebrows and eyelashes off camera, and then on camera you see me putting on chestnut lip liner. I had a red in the middle at first, but I had to change it to my usual lip color because I hated the combination. So that was a little bit cut out, sorry about that, but I hope you all enjoyed this video today.
Came to make sweet love, not me. Who came to kiss and love, not me. Who came to beat it up, Rocky. And don't use those hands to put up that gate and stop me. When we fuck, when we fuck, when we.
Thank you all for watching my video. Do not forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. I post videos every Wednesday, so don't forget to tune in. Mwah.